Who's this guy? I'm Ebe, or whatever I call myself, Ebe. I'm just saying that for now. And I was really looking for a topic to talk about on this video because, you know, me just starting, I don't want to just jump into something. You know, I want to ease my way, you know, get in the flow of traffic. I don't want to just jump in and talk about no random stuff. So I said, the perfect subject for me to talk about. That way I just don't start rambling all over the place, you know, just like a vlog. I don't have to vlog my life right now. I'm not really that active, you know. This video is going to be about why it's so hard to start a YouTube channel. First of all, it comes down to mentality, especially with me and some other people out there. Perfectionism kills careers because as an artist, you want to make sure everything is perfectly stroked and stuff like that. Perfectly drawn. At least that's what I am, you know. And art is subjective. So you could really scrabble and make it look like art. For a perfectionist, you want to make it perfect, literally. You want to make everything fit a certain criteria. You're a certain criteria. I posted, I recorded about 3 videos before this one. And I looked through them. I didn't even look at the whole video. I just looked at how I talked, how I looked around, because in those videos in particular, I was driving and I'm in the car right now because it's like a quiet space. I don't want to do this in front of family and stuff like that. But I'm looking at those videos and I'm like, I'm looking around. I'm not looking directly in the camera. I'm talking kind of low, talking kind of loud. I'm talking in a way where people won't understand me and stuff like that. You just got to learn how to say, fuck it. Forget it. Just go. Even this video, it might have like 1 view, 1 guy watching this video. It's the first step. It's the first baby step. Putting something out there. That way you have something there. And that way you have more of a motivation. Hold on. My words get mixed up. See, look. See, I would have saw that and deleted that. But it's more of a motivation to keep posting. Because if you already have something on the channel, it's easy to add something to it. But if it's just blank, you're not going to want to post nothing. You're going to want to keep it blank. Second reason might be, I said might be. Second reason might be material. Now, I'm recording on my phone. The steering wheel is like right here on this, goddammit, right here. And then there's a water bottle on the thingamajig right there, the screen that shows you the speed and shit like that. And it's a water bottle on there. That way the phone can lay back. So if I move this, you know what I'm saying? See how weak it is right now? And this is my iPhone 11. I'm recording this. Mic might not be good. Might be a little bit too reverby. You might hear some raindrops. That's because I'm literally under a freaking tree in this park. And I'm in a park, you know? The lighting might be a little off. But some people might look at their material and then think they're not ready enough to start, you know, YouTube channel, which I had the same mentality. But then, yeah, you just look at your phone and like, dang, I see people playing games. I see people react to videos and stuff. People react to streams, date videos, and games and stuff like that. And then think, you know, I only have 1 phone. I don't, you know, I can't use any of my family members' phones. I can't really do anything like that. I don't have a console. I literally don't have a console. I can't even use a webcam or nothing like that. So you can't play games. You can't do reaction videos. You're like, damn, I just have a phone, nigga. What am I supposed to do? Lack of material could literally crush someone's want to be a video creator. The third reason might be lack of ideas, which was mine. Now, I have ideas that run through my head a lot. But then it's really limited because I just have a camera. So all I can do is talk. Now, talk about what? And I'm thinking long term as well. So if I can sit here and research about a certain topic, and I know how to edit, so I can just put clips in here like that. I could sit here and do that, but then do I want my channel to be an informative type of channel? You come here only when you want to know something? Or do I come here to showcase my personality? Like KSI type of video, or a Corey Kenshin, or a, you know, shit. It's a choice that you make at the start. And most people, this is how they start out. They just start talking to the camera until they get more material, more more resources, and they go crazy. They just let their creativity just, whew. And now, see, I'm in the starting stage. I'm in the cocoon right now. Fourth reason, fear of judgment. And I think this is the biggest one. In my opinion, this is the biggest one. Fear of judgment. Fear of what people are going to think about you. Fear of either laughter, disappointment, just people just seeing it and you not knowing what they're going to say. The not knowing. Or people not taking it seriously. This is another one of his phases or something like that. And they think about that and they think of all the possibilities and all these conspiracy theories about themselves. And then say, it's not even worth it. It's not even worth it. They don't say it out loud. That, okay, I'm scared of what other people think. Because when you say that, you're in a state of vulnerability. People don't like to admit that they're scared of what other people think. Because that right there, that's like, you know, you just look weak. You know, like grow up. And not even just with YouTube. That's with like every career. Say you wanted to be a rapper, but then say you're not like in a group of people that's okay with you being a rapper, in a sense. Stay with me now. So you rap and you already know, like, or you want to rap. Now you ain't even start yet. And you already know the criticism that's about to come from those type people. They might be already rapping. And you might think having people that you don't know, but that you know, that's kind of close to you that raps. You might think that's easier. But in a sense, for type people that's scared of what other people think, it's harder. Because it's like you're taking, like you're doing what they're doing. And you think they're going to look at you and then say, hey, this is our stuff. You're not supposed to do what we're doing. And then they're going to make fun of you on top of that. This is their mindset. Fear of judgment really is a killer of careers, killer of dreams, killer of ambition. Because it's like, at a certain point, you're going to get tired of it and then just say, fuck it. I'm not at that point yet, but I'm still posting this video anyway. Because I know people going to see this. Or at least one guy. Shit. Whoever you are.
My funny Valentine.
Never mind, bro. That'd be it for my first. And for real this time, I'm going to post this one for sure. I don't care if I don't edit it. I'm going to post this motherfucker. I'm going to post it today. Today. Kill him right now. Today.
I hate that I even spoke about that. If I didn't, may God murder my children.
No, don't say that.
Please, kill them today. Right now, today.
I don't know what my outro should be. No. I'm just blow y'all a kiss. One more time. Okay. And this.